Hey friends, how's it going? Since the last week, our testnet on Aleph Zero is officially live. Exciting, right? I'm Przemysław from the Invariant team, and today I'm gonna guide you how to use the Invariant testnet on Aleph Zero. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. First things first, you're gonna need a wallet. If you're unsure which one to choose, I highly recommend Nightly. I've been using it for a while and it's one of the best wallets I've ever come across. If you already have your account set up, simply press the connect button. Next, we need to get some testnet tokens to experiment with. These tokens don't have any real world value, but they're perfect for testing purposes. To get started, you'll first need T0 tokens, which are the testnet equivalent of AZERO tokens. These tokens are essential because we are operating on the Aleph Zero testnet, and to perform any transaction here, you need a little T0 to pay the network's fees. To get your T0 tokens, just copy and paste your wallet address into the faucet request field and request an airdrop. The process should only take a few seconds, thanks to Aleph Zero being one of the fastest blockchains out there. Once you have your T0 tokens, you can use them to acquire testnet ETH, Bitcoin and USDC from the list of the test tokens. This is crucial because without T0, you won't be able to execute any transactions on the Aleph Zero testnet. Now that we have our T0 tokens, let's click the faucet button to receive an airdrop. And done. Now let's proceed with performing a simple swap. Start by selecting the source tokens, for example AZERO, and the destinations tokens, might be USDC. Enter the amount of tokens you want to exchange and confirm the swap. Below you will see how many USDC tokens you will receive in return. Execute the transaction and that's all. Amazing, right? Now let's try something a bit more advanced, but don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. We're going to create a liquidity pool and provide some liquidity. Head over to the liquidity tab and click on the add position button. First, choose the tokens you want to provide in the liquidity pool. Let's go with AZERO and USDC. Then select a fee tier. You can check the description for details on fee tiers. I won't dive into that now, so we can keep things moving. Next, decide on the price range in which you want to add your liquidity. This is the key part of concentrated liquidity market makers. Your pool will only be active and earn fees within this selected range. Once the price range is set, you can then decide how many tokens you want to add to the liquidity pool. For example, if I expect the price of Aleph Zero to stay between 36 and 44 cents in the near future, I'll set that as my range. This is crucial because only within this price range will my provided liquidity be used by swappers and generate fees for me. Once you've set everything, click Add Position button. Approve the transaction and there you have it. Your position is created. You can check the details here where you find important information about your position, such as total value denominated in one of the tokens, price range, token ratio and fee tier. Additionally, you can see whether your position is currently active. The fee tier indicator will light up green if it is. Now we're ready to earn some fees. Now let's make another swap, this time with a larger amount, AZERO to USDC. By making this swap, we're creating trading volume, which is a key factor in determining how much you earn in fees. The more trading volume generated within your chosen price range, the more fees you'll accumulate over time. After making this swap, let's go back to our position. Here we are, we've earned our first fees by providing liquidity on Invariant. It's that simple. What's next? Well, there are two options. The first option is closing a position. If you want to retrieve the tokens you've deposited into the pools, you can simply close your position. Go to the liquidity tab and select the position you wish to close. Then click the close button and confirm the transaction in your wallet. Once the position is closed, you'll receive your tokens along with the fees that your position has generated. But what if you want to claim your earned fees without closing your position? It's easy. You also need to go to the liquidity tab, select your position and click the claim fee button. After confirming the transaction, your fees will appear in your wallet and your position will remain active, continuing to generate more fees. If you need any help with anything, feel free to join our community on Discord and ask your questions. My teammates and I are always happy to help. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe because we have many more videos about decentralized finance coming up. If you want to learn more about Invariant and concentrated liquidity right now, check out our docs and Medium. There's plenty of detailed info there. For updates, follow us on X, all the links are in the description. That's all for now. Take care and see you soon.